The mold industry, which will be the root of the fourth industry and the fruit of the economy. In order for the mold industry to achieve sustainable growth in a rapidly changing situation, we must present a blueprint for transitioning to a high-tech industry. The mold industry has reached a new turning point. What competitive edge do we need to have? That is, innovation must be achieved in the mold field. NCBrain, an innovative technology that provides the optimal solution with just 3 buttons, is the answer. NCBrain is a program that optimizes NC data generated from CAM to suit machining characteristics. How does NCBrain enable innovative optimization? First, optimization begins when creating a stock. Just as the navigation system sets the optimal route to the destination, considering weather and real-time traffic information, NCBrain performs optimal simulation by setting the material and size of the stock. Also, decelerate in congested sections with many vehicles or corners, and drive safely and quickly in sections with few vehicles. NCBrain recognizes the stock and automatically adjusts the feed rate considering the load on the tool. In addition, heavy load areas or corner sections can be machined safely by adjusting the feed rate. Conversely, the toolpath is smartly deleted in low load sections or empty spaces. Also, just as the navigation's detour function sets the optimal detour route to avoid construction zones, NCBrain uses the G0 height control function to perform efficient machining without moving the machine unnecessarily high during machining. Besides, it allows for simple toolpath editing, provides a worksheet containing the information needed for overall machining. It is also possible to edit and manage the G-code format supported for each machine, and NCBrain's own FTP transmission method is also available. NCBrain presents a new direction for the mold industry. Top-notch standard solution for NC milling can be started from NCBrain.